Welcome to another CAAN tip, where we deliver fencing tips in under 120 seconds. Today, we'll help you choose the right fence for urban and rural areas. Step 1. Understand your needs. In urban areas, privacy and noise reduction are often top priorities. For rural properties, the focus is usually on functionality, like marking boundaries or containing livestock. Next, choose the right material. Urban fences often feature wood, vinyl, or composite materials for aesthetics and durability. Rural fences lean towards practical options like split rail wood, barbed wire, or even metal for larger spaces. In both areas, durability and maintenance are important. Urban homeowners might prefer low-maintenance options like vinyl, while rural owners should consider materials that withstand extreme weather, like steel or treated wood. Let's recap. 1. Define your purpose, privacy versus functionality. 2. Select materials that suit your needs. 3. Plan for maintenance and durability. The right fence can transform any property, urban or rural. If this tip helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more CAAN tips. Check out our playlist for more. Should you require professional help, you can contact us on this number or on our website. See you next time.